We've all been there. You're in a rush, your hands are full, and your Tesla Model 3 just ignores your phone. So what's really going on? The Tesla Model 3 phone key is a cool idea. Your phone acts as your car key using Bluetooth. But sometimes, it just doesn't work. The most common reason? Bluetooth problems. If your phone's Bluetooth is off, or if it's struggling to connect, your car can't see your phone at all. Next up, app issues. If the Tesla app isn't running in the background, or it needs an update, your phone key might fail. It's also possible your phone's battery saver settings are shutting down the app without you even knowing. Wi-Fi can also mess things up. If your phone is trying to connect to Wi-Fi at the same time, sometimes the Tesla app loses its Bluetooth link. And finally, let's not forget about software updates. Both your phone and your car need to be running the latest updates, or things might not sync up right. So, next time your Model 3 ignores your phone, check your Bluetooth, make sure the Tesla app is running, and stay up to date. That way, your phone key will work like it should, every time.